It's time to make the survey. So let's start by opening up the program. We're going to use Microsoft Word today. So on your computers, you go to Start, All Programs, and scroll down to Microsoft Office. And look for the blue W and click Microsoft Word. Word will open to a blank page. What I want you to do today is start your survey. I do not want to see you changing fonts, colors, sizes. Just type in the information first. We'll make it look great in a little bit. So I'm going to type in my class survey. I'll pretend I'm in Mrs. Laverty's class. And I'm not even going to worry too much about spelling right now. I'm going to go back and do that. I want to get my questions in here. We talked about the questions in class. So the first question I'm going to do is, I'll do, what is your favorite color? And then I'll hit enter a couple times, and I'll do, is your favorite, I don't know, how about animal? And I'll do one more. How about ice cream? And we talked earlier that we were going to include on the list for all these so people couldn't pick other. Alright, so we'll pretend we got all 5 questions done. I know I only have 3, but for now that will be good. I want to make sure that my cursor, that little blinking line, is right below my question. And now I'm going to make a table so people can respond to my survey. And the way you do this is table, insert, table. And you get this choice here. It says 5 columns and 2 rows. You know, for what we're doing, that's absolutely perfect, so I'm not going to change anything. And I'll show you what columns and rows mean in a second. So here's my table. And you'll notice I got 2 rows here. Going 1 row and then the bottom row. And I should have 5 columns going up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll use this to put in my choices for my users. And now I'll go down and do it for the next one. Same thing. Table, insert, table. Oh, but you know what? Looks like I made a mistake. I need to make sure that this cursor is below my question, because sometimes if it's up in the same sentence, it can make a problem. So I'm just going to do that to be sure. Table, insert table. And there we go. One more time. Cursor's below my sentence. Table, insert table. And I'm good. Now I just have to enter in the information for those 2 choices. But I'm also going to come up here and I'm going to click in this bottom row and hit enter twice. That will give the people taking the survey a little bit more space to write their choices. You should have 5 questions for your survey. It all has to fit on this one page. It cannot go on to the next page. So now I can go up and I can start making some of those changes that we already know how to do. I can make that bigger. I can make the question a little bit bigger. You know, maybe if I want to pick a different font, I could do that type of stuff now too. So do that. Just make sure that everything fits on the same page and it looks nice and neat. Okay? And that's our goal for today. Don't print it, save it, and next week we're going to actually do a little bit more to this and then start asking the questions to our classmates. Have a great day, everybody.